all-wheel drive. You'll never pay too much at Kosarik Imports. Only one local owner. Only one other person had the privilege of owning the superb-looking 2008 Nissan Armada. Take one less thing off your mind with this trouble-free Armada. It is nicely equipped. We pride ourselves on superior customer service and high-quality automobiles. We look forward to helping you with all of your automotive needs.